Okay, welcome students. Now the next topic which I am taking is creating a new document. Now when we open any document, as we open writer, then blank document get appear on the screen. Like this, as I have done it right now. Now for example, you have done some work over here. You have written some text or done some work. After this you want to open a new document. For this purpose, you have to go to the file menu. Then you have to select the option new. In new, you can see many options are shown you over here. From here, you have to select the option text document. Like this. Then the new document will display on the screen. After this, another method is also there, that is keyboard shortcut. For this purpose, keyboard shortcut Control plus N. Control plus N means you have to hold down the control key and you have to press the alphabet N. Third method is, that is click on the new icon, which is presented on the standard toolbar. Directly click it over here and then new window will display on the screen. Now the next topic is inserting and deleting text. Sometimes it happens that we have written some text and we want to insert some text in between. Take this example. Here I have already written some text. Now I just want to include some more text in between. Like here I have written computer is a very fast and accurate electronic device. Okay. Now after this I want to write some information over here. That is, it works very fast. For example, so it is very simple and easy. You just have to point where you want to write down the new text and then start typing. But before this, please make sure that that here means on the status bar insert option must be there. Means right now you are working in insert mode. So as I have written this new text, you might have noticed that the previous text is already there, but it shifted towards the right hand side. So in this way, we can insert new text. Now by mistake, if you are not working in the insert mode and you are working in overwrite mode, then what will happen, as you will type anything, then it will be overwritten. Now I am explaining this with another example, simple example. For example, word computer is written over here, but this is not the right spelling. Okay, C-O-M-P-U, I have skipped T-E-R. This is the wrong spelling of the computer I have written. And now I want to correct this. For this purpose, I have to use insert mode. But by mistake, if I am working in the overwrite mode and then I type alphabet U, then what will happen? It will overwrite to the next text. Now for example, I want to insert alphabet U after alphabet P. Then as I type alphabet U, it will be overwritten. It will be overwritten to T, because here I was working in insert mode, overwrite mode. So because for doing such type of the things, please make sure that you are working in the correct mode. So now if you are working in the insert mode, you want to write down some text in between, then insert mode must be on. To making it on and off, it is very simple. Just bring the cursor over here and click it, double click over here. Single click will also work over here in writer, but in MS Word double click is required. So just click it and then the mode will change. It is insert mode right now. Click it over here, it is overwrite. Means as you will type, the text will be overwritten. And insert means as you type, the text will be inserted in between. The next topic is, that is to delete characters or to delete some text from the document. If you want to delete only one character at a time, then you can use backspace key or the delete key depending upon the position of the insertion point. Now for example, here I want to delete. My insertion point is here in between computer and science. As I press the backspace key, alphabet R will be deleted. Okay, means backspace key is used to delete one character towards the left hand side of the insertion point. This vertical line is called the insertion point. Blinking vertical line is called the insertion point. Now if I am here and as I press the delete key, so delete key will delete alphabet S, means one character towards the right side of the insertion point. But sometimes we don't want to delete one character. we want to delete means complete word or complete information from the document. For this purpose, the process will be different. For this, for example, I want to delete this whole sentence. For deleting this whole sentence, I can select the whole sentence. Then, as I select the whole sentence, that it can be deleted directly. There are different ways for selecting it. Bring the cursor towards the left side of the sentence, hold down the left key and use the arrow keys for selecting this particular sentence. So what will happen? This entire sentence will be selected. After this, if I want to delete this, then you can press the delete key. Now if you want to select the whole document, that it can be selected also. The next topic is I'm taking selecting text. Now if you want to select with the help of the keyboard, it can be done. Just click from where you want to start the selection, press the shift key and use the arrow keys. Then the text will be selected like this. One character at a time. You want to select in down direction, so you can use the down arrow. Second method is, first click at the place from where you want to start the selection, hold on the shift key and then drag the mouse. So in this way also you can select. Third method is with the help of the click. Now you want to select one word, then double click on that word. So as you double click, that particular word will be selected. Now triple click is used for selecting one sentence. 1, 2, 3. Okay, triple click is used for selecting one entire sentence. Now if you want to select the whole paragraph, then click 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be fast. Okay, again I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in this way the entire paragraph will be selected for you. Either it's contain 2 lines or 10 lines, accordingly it will be selected. Okay, I'm just revising in short about selecting the document. Okay, one more method is here, keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A, the whole text will be selected, or go to the edit menu and select the options, select all, the whole text will be selected for you. So selecting, I'm just revising one more time. If you want to select one word, double click on that particular word. If you want to select the one sentence, then triple click. Triple click means that 3 times you have to click in the particular sentence. If you want to select an entire paragraph, then 4 times you have to click in that particular paragraph.